In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Auto Hide feature for the ribbon in Microsoft Word. This is a handy trick to know if you want a cleaner workspace while working on your documents, helping you to focus better on the content at hand. Let's dive right in. First, you need to locate the Ribbon Display Options icon. This icon is situated near the top right corner of your Word window. It's not always immediately obvious, but once you spot it, it becomes second nature to click whenever you want to modify your ribbon settings. This icon is your gateway to a less cluttered view. After you've clicked on the Ribbon Display Options icon, a drop-down list will appear. You'll see several options here, but for our purpose today, you should select the option labeled Auto Hide Ribbon. Depending on which version of Word you are using, this option might also appear as Hide Ribbon or Show Tabs Only. Regardless of what it says on your screen, the functionality remains the same. This selection allows the ribbon to vanish from view, giving you a more expansive visual space and allowing you to focus purely on your document. Now, with Auto Hide selected, the ribbon will disappear. But don't worry, it's not gone for good. The ribbon will re-emerge whenever you need it. Simply move your mouse to the top of the screen and click, or press any of the tabs to make it pop back into view. This feature makes your interaction with Word both seamless and intuitive, as the tools you need are merely a click away without permanently occupying valuable screen real estate. For those who prefer using keyboard shortcuts, Microsoft Word offers a quick method to toggle the ribbon's visibility. By pressing Ctrl plus F1 on your keyboard, you can either collapse or expand the ribbon automatically. This shortcut provides a fast and convenient way to manage your workspace without using your mouse, particularly useful for those who like to keep their hands on the keyboard as much as possible. Additionally, you can double-click any tab in the ribbon to collapse or expand it. This is another intuitive approach to managing your workspace, making it easy to streamline your view without interrupting your workflow. It's these small tricks that can make a big difference in how efficiently you navigate through Word. So whether you prefer using a mouse, a keyboard shortcut, or a simple double-click, Microsoft Word provides a variety of options to hide and reveal the ribbon, ensuring that you have a neat and organized working environment whenever you need it. Mastering these techniques will undoubtedly improve your productivity. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like these. See you next time.